bathroom, storage. Okay, all of these will not be in here. Okay. Okay, let's go. Whew.
Yeah, he said he would come. Yes. The first is that we in the June, but the upstairs is just a bathroom. Yes, you could go up and have a look.
Grew up in a hard knock life, but I never gave up. Trying, that's how they gonna write. The story of my life. Grew up in a hard knock life, but I never gave up. Trying, that's how they gonna write. The story of my life.
This is not far from the beach. Wow, this is nice. Nice setup. Yeah, this is dope. Small renovations, but it's good. Right beside the main road. That road leads to Gambia, to the beach. You know, this is a nice setting. It's cool. This can do something nice too. If it does make it look nice, right, Jody? Yeah. Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah, I have to. Let's go. You watch your step. Yeah, family, this is nice. Generator room? Okay.
So I've been here since 1 o'clock. So
Okay.
I have another meeting which I have to go to.
I understand.
Yes. So I will show you. Yes. Thank you. Okay.
Alright. Stop. Okay. Bam. Okay, so this is another room. Okay. Okay, but all the furniture will be gone, so
She said the ones in these places
This one will remain.
this one will remain.
Yes, but
Okay.
the ones over on that side are. But this is a big bathroom. This is lovely.
Yeah.
Because I know people prefer this kind of bathroom.
This one is a big toilet.
Wow, yeah, it's nice size bathroom. I'm sorry guys, I'm moving this too fast. It's nice bathroom. I think this outside. It's nice.
Kitchen and dining.
Yeah, all of these will be in this house, except for those around here. Yeah. Okay.
So much style bathroom.
Same style, similar style. Okay. How many rooms we just look? 2 rooms.
I don't think you have to show this one.
Eh?
You have to show this one.
Why not? Why? This is another room. This is the room. That one is the room over there. Okay. It's empty, so You know, so you're getting all of these things.
I don't think so. Because this is the first time I'm seeing it. So.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, the door locked, but this is just like another short walk-in balcony like vibe. It's very nice. You know, as we say, not far from Gambia. This is a great investment property. Really, really like it. Yeah, wow. Have a lot of rooms.
Yeah, then.
Wow, okay. So this is nice. Wow. This is a great investment property.
Not bad.
This is really good.
Yeah, so this is a one bedroom, so if a one bedroom person would have come, like a one guest.
That's true.
Exactly.
That's true. Wow. This is the same style. I like this style bathroom. Don't dislike it.
Because it's,
The toilet is way over here.
you know, say, oh,
Yeah. This is nice. Yeah. Nice view. Nice view. I just come out here while I go and show.
oh yeah, sure, them already.
Yes, nice view.
Like an hotel.
That me just say it have that.
Yeah.
This is a nice investment property. Excuse me. You know, I love the fact that in the grass and trees, nature, just need to renovate. Yeah. This is good though.
Like there should be another one over there.
Yeah.
At the highway. But that one is all empty. That's 15.
Yeah.
Is that a property? It's not. It was a hospital.
Oh.
Everyone did it.
Yes.
But this one is more.
Wow, this is good.
Yeah. Because this is.
I like
everything
this.
is here already.
Yeah.
Everything is here.
But some persons like it without because they can fit it out.
No, but with this you have a start, Jody.
Yeah, you already have a start with it.
Yes.
Oh, I like the blue in this one.
Wow, yeah. The coral
Yeah.
effect. It's very nice. It's similar, but it's very nice. Love the blue, as Jody said. It's really nice.
Oh, the frozen.
So let me confirm again. These are in the thing. This overall.
Exactly.
I wouldn't tell them. They're good. See? And you get another view of outside as well again. You know? Just the pool, the water can change, water the green. But yeah, wow, even this is nice. Oh, what's going on down there? Okay, it's the same thing down there as well. So yeah. So we are go upstairs. Additional stairs. Joe, I was right. Okay. Woo! He went through. They're not lying. You can imagine how you can decorate up here, so some nice look. Just probably do something to this roof. To, you know. It's empty. Okay. Once again, the view is nice. Yes. So we're not going here so much. It's closed. The key there downstairs, but it's empty. So this is good, guys. This is a really good investment property. Location wise, it's perfect. You know, location wise, it's perfect. It's just, yeah, when you're there, so you get extra workout. You get extra, but These things can just be renovated. But what a great investment property this is, I have to say. Yeah, bro. Just maintenance, renovation, but it's nice. Yeah, the kitchen. Okay, they can change it up based on the style. But this room is still nice. You know, if it, I like say every room have a AC, and this bathroom is pretty much small, but I guess you can use shower curtain for this one or redesign it, because you know. But as I say, renovation. Yeah. That's true. Anyways, yeah. Oh. Yeah, so there's a security dog. They have to put him in that room. But that room over there is similar to the one over here. So, yes. Banana tree.
Wow, call for it, not text for.
Yeah.
And I only put the group chat. Follow us in there, boys. Follow us in there, boys. Follow us in there, boys.
Yeah. Renovation.
And that's the balcony.
Balcony for outside. Yeah, small balcony. Okay.
So what's right here? This is a... They are saying they are washing room.
Washroom.
Okay.
Wow. Jela no barbecue.
Washroom.
Similar to the one that we
Similar style. Okay.
24/77.
Small. School.
24/57. Daily.
These things have been here as well.
72 watt.
Yep. But as I say, small fix up, renovation, stuff like that. This would be, oh, Kai, don't go by the side there. That's where they're keeping the security dog, Jody. That one is not nice. Yeah, but this is good though. I can make you get that one thumbnail.
washroom, guys.
Washroom. This is nice. Okay, it's close.
And a toilet behind here. Yeah.
Toilet. Okay,
Problem.
I understand. Just renovations, you know, like with stuff like that. Renovation. Yeah. Yeah. Joe. Yard soul. Yeah. I remember the days in the struggle, still I'm holding out. Me and my mother and my brother, I chill in a one board house. Roast bread fruit
food for dinner. Mama done tell me say me born to be a winner. So many years I'm still going strong. Yeah. Jaja keep me far from me enemies. They wanna take my life and my energy. Tell them say me tired of the struggle me face. So me a pray for a better day. How when me broken things set away. Me not on no gun for me brother them. Me a make move till me set things straight. Cause me want see a better day. Yeah, yeah. Me want see a better day. Cause when me try to make a rise, the system want to hold me down. Want success in a me life, and me know say me nah go sell out. No, such a challenge I'm set for me, but none of them can change me destiny. Almighty standing next to me, some vex to say. I said this life ain't easy, but I will make it. I know why. We'll make it, I know why. Jaja keep me far from me enemies. They wanna take my life and my energy. Tell them say me tired of the struggle me face. So me a pray for a better day. How when me broken things set away. Me not on no gun for me brother them. Me a make move till me set things straight. Cause me want see a better day. Yeah, yeah. Me want see a better day. Who feels it knows. Who feels it knows. Yeah. And I've got the scars to show. Who feels it knows. Who feels it knows. Who feels it knows. And I know one day I will make it out. I say, Jaja keep me far from me enemies. They wanna take my life and my energy. Tell them say me tired of the struggle me face. So me a pray for a better day. And when me broken things set away. Me not on no gun for me brother them. Me a make move till me set things straight. Cause me want see a better day. Yeah, yeah. We want see a better day. Rise up. Oh, Mama Africa. Yes, I can see it. The day when we all shall rise. We shall overcome. No matter how they try to chain me.